In this video, I'm at Bird Biscuit.
Bird up.
Located here in Austin, Texas. Now they have two locations. I'm at the location here north of downtown, and they have another location east of downtown. Bird Biscuit
Bird up.
is a breakfast slash lunch spot, and with only being open for less than a decade, their famous fried chicken sandwiches are definitely making a name for themselves here in Austin, Texas. Now we're gonna check out the menu here.
A few moments later.
So they got a queen beef fried chicken breast. It's got that bacon infused chipotle mayo. That's really good. Also got a Firebird, a spicy fried chicken breast with a dill mayo. And then it's gonna have some spicy sweet pickles and cilantro, really thick cuts of that. So probably gonna definitely try these two right here. Some more sandwiches. This is like bacon and barbecue sauce. And then this one has hatch chili peppers on it, some pickles on it too. They got some other sandwiches too. Got some vegetarian options.
What the hell?
It's pretty cool. Dessert wise, we're gonna definitely try the dough. So little donut holes, toss some cinnamon and sugar. We'll do some biscuits and gravy. They also got some homemade jams. They got some blueberry homemade jam and a strawberry homemade jam. We're gonna definitely try those. Drink wise, dude, homemade strawberry lemonade. $4 for orange juice. I'd rather just probably go to the store and get me a whole thing of orange juice for $4. Let's see some sides they got here. We'll get some fries for sure. That's pretty much it. Bird Biscuit. This shit good or not? Okay, what's up, y'all? We finally got the food. All right, fortunately, I couldn't eat the food at Bird Biscuit. It's very packed there at the moment. Very limited on seating. So I decided to take this back to the crib. Let's get right to it. We got a lot of stuff to start off with. Everything smells amazing, looks amazing. And I'm also very, very hungry. We're gonna get right into the appetizers. Start off with these fries. So we got some barbecue sauce with these fries. These fries look very, very seasoned. They've been sitting for a minute, so they unfortunately are a little bit soggy, but hopefully that won't take away from the taste, the seasonings. Yeah, they definitely are soggy because they've been sitting here, but it's still a really good French fry. Like I said, I wish I would have had it right when they came out. It would have been a lot crispier and crunchier, which I'm guaranteed these most likely are. The barbecue sauce here is really good barbecue sauce. Yeah, nice sweet, kind of like a hickory barbecue sauce. It's really good. French fries are amazing. Look at that. French fries good, barbecue sauce good. All right, we're gonna get into the biscuits. We got some blueberry jam, nice thick blueberries in there. Wow. Then we got some strawberry jam. Also, good thick jam. We have some gravy. This is a creamy sausage gravy. It looks very creamy. It smells pretty good. I said I got a couple forks, but I got a lot. They must have thought this was gonna be for quite a bit of people. Little did they know I'm eating all of it. It's only for one person. My big back ass is gonna eat it all. All right, we're gonna try some of the strawberry jam first. The strawberry jam. Nice chunky strawberries in there. I'm gonna try this on a little piece to spread that on there. Nice little good spread. Did I not get a knife? I don't think I got a knife, people. Look at that. Nice, good spread. All right, let's try this out. Let's see if this shit good or not. First of all, the biscuit is nice crispy outer layer. Inside, nice and soft and fluffy. Really good biscuit taste. And then the strawberry jam just complements it. It's good, sweet, homemade strawberry jam. You can't go wrong with this. Like, this is really good. Wake up in the morning, get yourself some biscuits and jam. That's good. That is good. All right, we're gonna try some of this blueberry jam. Let me get a new fork. I got a lot of forks, so I don't want to cross-contaminate. New fork. I might just ask them for jars of jam. I'm like, can I just get a jar of strawberry jam? All right, nice thick blueberries. Look at those blueberries, man. Oh, they're falling everywhere. All right, nice chunky blueberries. Let's see if the blueberry jam is busting. I kind of want to get some of the juice on there. So I got a lot of the blueberry chunks on there already. All right, let's see. This shit good enough. Look at that. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. The blueberry is so good too. Holy shit. Blueberry is so good. If my accountant's watching this, so I know you will, listen, me buying these, purchasing a lot of food every week is worth it. It's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off. The money's gonna come back. So get off my back. Anyway, nah, sorry. Sorry, Mom, I didn't. Sorry, Mom, for calling you out like that. Yes, my mom's my accountant, folks. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm a 30-year-old man and my mom, she takes care of my bills. Anyway, back to the blueberry jam biscuit. Dude, this is fucking good. The blueberries are, dude, it's nice chunky blueberries. It's so good. I could like literally just eat the whole thing. This is so good. I'm supposed to use this piece for my gravy, but I got some blueberries on it. But it should be all right. I'm gonna put some gravy on here. And we're gonna see this sausage gravy is good. I'm just gonna pour it on there, man. Pour good, and then get a little good spread. So yeah, this has a little bit of the blueberries on there, but that shouldn't take away from the taste, folks. Look at that. Dude, it looks good. All right, let's try it out. Not as seasoned as I thought it would be. Still good. I wish the sausage gravy was a little bit more seasoned. It's kind of light. I kind of like a heavy sausage gravy. When I eat it, I like to get that itis and then, you know, pass out, take a nap. But this is like a lighter. It's not as heavy, not like a thick country sausage gravy that I'm used to, but it's still really good. Like I said, I wish it was a little bit more seasoned, but so far, everything so far, this is probably, I wouldn't say disappointing, but the least desirable thing out of everything so far. But it's still pretty good. Like I said, the biscuit's definitely doing this justice because nice fluffy biscuit, crispy on the outside, flaky, it's good. The sausage gravy is kind of on the lighter side, not as flavorful as I was expecting it to be, but still, it's not bad, still pretty good. All right, so those are the appetizers. All right, folks, let's get into what we came here for. So this is called the Queen's Beak. We got a big, thick, and meaty chicken biscuit sandwich. It's got cheddar cheese, an over easy egg, and look at that, it's just hanging outside. It's got this chipotle honey bacon infused sauce on it. This thing looks crazy. Dig right into it. Dude, they give you like a thick, chunky chicken. Let's take a bite, let's see. I took a big bite too. This chicken biscuit sandwich is so good. The chicken is nice and juicy. The outside is nice and crispy. Then you have the biscuit, like I said before, biscuit nice and crispy and flaky on the outside, but inside nice and fluffy and soft and just so good. The chipotle sauce that they have on there, it just binds everything together. Kind of like a little bit of a spicy but sweet taste to it. The egg and the cheese just, you know, just complete that taste. Everything tastes amazing, fresh, and just everything harmonizes with each other. We gotta go for another bite. This is probably one of the best chicken biscuits I ever had in my life. They know what they're doing. There's everything just, it's like dancing in my mouth right now. Having a school dance in my mouth. And we're doing the Soldier Boy. Yo! That is so good, folks. This is so good. Nice portion size too. But that's not the only sandwich we got. And this sandwich looks crazy. This sandwich is called the Firebird. Now this is, I'm guessing, a spicy fried chicken. Then we got some dill pickles. It's got a dill mayo sauce. thick cut spicy and sweet pickles and cilantro. So I'm not really a big fan of pickles on my sandwiches, and these, they're not lacking with the pickles. There's a lot of pickles and they're thick on there. So let's take a big bite. Not really as spicy, but I'm not getting a bite. The pickles are actually decent. The pickles actually complement the sandwich very well. So this sandwich has a nice spice to it, not too spicy. I thought it was gonna be a lot spicier, but a nice little spice to it. I wish there was a little bit more of a spice to it, especially it's called Firebird. The pickles actually do complement this very well. I didn't think I'd like the pickles, but the pickles are a good sweet complement to it. They are thick on the side. I didn't think I like it being really thick texture, but it's not that bad. I think it's a perfect size actually. They could have gone a little bit smaller, but I think it's a perfect size. Biscuits, amazing like always. The dill mayo is actually good, nice and sweet, and like a soury kind of picklish flavor, but it's also very good. I wasn't expecting to actually like this sandwich, but I think I actually like this just as much as I like the Queen Beaks one. So really good sandwich. Definitely, they're killing it. There's a reason why Bird Biscuit is popular in Austin, Texas. And this is why. They are killing it when it comes to these biscuit chicken sandwiches, man. They're good. But that's not it. We're gonna kick right into the drink. So we I almost spilled it everywhere. The editor, cut that out. Cut that out. Nope. Anyway, we got a strawberry lemonade. This looks amazing. Look at that. You can see like it's like lighter up here and more darker down here. I like when the colors diffuse like that. But anyway, you can tell this is probably gonna be a nice and sweet lemonade. It's been sitting for a while, so hopefully it's the ice cubes that make it watery, but you know, we'll see. So it really just tastes kind of like the Minute Maid, like lemonade, like strawberry lemonade from like Minute Maid. That's honestly what it kind of tastes like. I would say maybe not as artificially flavored as the, well, is it Minute Maid or is it Simply? It might be Simply, yeah. But you know, like the store strawberry lemonade, little jug, whatever, or not the jug, but little, you know, little container thing. It tastes like that, but maybe not as artificial. And yeah, just maybe not as artificially tasting. So maybe this is probably homemade. Probably homemade. Still really good. Still really good. Not too overly sweet. Not too sour. Not really getting as sour taste from it. The one I had at the State Fair in Dallas, that was a really good strawberry lemonade. That was probably the best strawberry lemonade I had in a minute. That was probably the best one. This one's kind of subpar. Not as good as that one I had at the State Fair, but also it's not like bad. It's not like not sweet, not too sweet, but also I wish it was a little bit sour. So I'm not really getting that lemon flavor from it, not that sour. More like just a strawberry drink, really. But anyway, that's good. That's still good. All right, the last thing on the list, we have the Dodos. Dodos, these are pretty much like little donuts, cinnamon sugar donut balls.
Forbidden donuts.
Cinnamon sugar donut balls. Look at that, they look good. They look good. All right, let's try it out and let's see if these is the shit or nah. All right, we're gonna take a big old bite. So it's kind of like a beignet. It's soft. Not as good as a beignet, honestly, obviously, but pretty much yeah, like a beignet. Nice soft in the middle. Outside nice and sugary and cinnamony. These are really good. All right, well there you have it, folks. That was Bird Biscuit. This place is good. If you haven't been to Bird Biscuit, you got to try them out. Everything's so good. They do everything so right here. Consistently been doing it since 2018. Shout out them. If you guys do like these kind of videos, make sure you're liking and subscribing to the channel. But anyway, man, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in, and peace and positivity. Let's go.